Hey everyone, it's Dr. Dan Vanderwhite from Preferred Chiropractic in Round Lake Beach. And today in this video, I just want to give you a little quick tour of the office and show you what we have to offer. So here we go. I'm going to turn this camera around and we'll get started. First room obviously is the reception area. Pretty self-explanatory there. And as we walk down the hallway here, the first two rooms are going to be our therapy rooms, more of a passive modalities, which is the electric stim, intersegmental traction, cervical traction. Do some other taping techniques and stuff in here if we need to. Second room is basically the same as the first room. Third room is our adjusting room. I say this is where all the magic happens. We do basically what they call the Palmer package, diversified, Thompson technique, which is a drop tables, a Gonstead technique. We also use flexion distraction, and then also with that little gun that you see on the table there, that is called an Arthostim. That machine is more of a lighter force technique for people that don't like to get the joints pushed on or hear those bones moving. So that thing thrusts about 12 times per second, gently moves the joints without interfering with the muscles or hearing those bones move. So all sorts of techniques for different people. We got pads on the walls for pregnant people as well, or whatever to make people comfortable. All right. As we continue down the hallway, this fourth room is our class 4 deep tissue laser. This laser works with pain, inflammation, sprains, muscle spasms, you name it. This thing can really help heal any kind of soft tissue injury. So a lot of success with this. All right. And going down the hallway, the next room is our massage room. Pretty self-explanatory here. Nice, quiet, peaceful room in here. We do trigger point work, manual therapy. We can do myofascial release, anything that you really need. We also do some stretching as well if we need to, and incorporate it with the massages or the manual therapy. All right. And then last room, bathroom's right there, obviously. And this is our exam, x-ray, and consultation room. Again, pretty self-explanatory. We'll do a thorough consultation with you, do an examination, and then we take any x-rays that are necessary, and then we will analyze those x-rays and work up a treatment plan and get you going. So that is our office. So if you guys have any questions or concerns or want to schedule an appointment, you can give us a call at 847-546-4220, or you can go online at our website at lakecountydoctors.com to get more information. That is it. We'll see you soon.